Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul. It's just bread and butter stuff. But you guys like to see these videos. You like to see that I just pick up, you know, normal things, mostly bread and butter. But I like to do these videos to show you guys this is the shit that I sell the most of. And by shit, I say that like as a term of endearment. The stuff isn't like actual shit, you know, it's good quality stuff. I just like that word. Okay, first thing that I picked up, this is not vintage, I don't think. It's a reprint on, can you guys hear Nolan singing in the background? On a all style apparel and activewear tag. It's size extra large, but it says experience a firestorm. Firecat. Just looks like this. It's got a guy on a snowmobile. I don't know anything about snowmobiles. I should, because I live like in the north and I live in the north. Snowmobiles are pretty popular around here. But yeah, I don't know. I just thought this is kind of cool looking. Again, I don't know if it's vintage. It's double stitch. All Saints sweatshirt. This is a size medium. It's the Mority sweatshirt. I don't know. It's pretty. It's like embroideredness on it. I don't know what you would really call that print. Looks like this. This is the second All Saints sweatshirt that I've picked up recently, and I found, I think, 2 pairs of All Saints pants, but it hasn't been selling. I was like so excited to find this brand. I'm like, yeah, but it hasn't been selling, and I don't think I've really gotten a lot of interest in it either. So I don't know. Is All Saints like a dead brand? Should I not? Guys, this shirt, pretty cool. So I saw the shirt. I was looking through the men's like long sleeve shirts, and I saw this shirt, and I'm like, oh, the color. I kind of like the color. And then I saw the tag. I'm like, oh my gosh, what? If you guys are old like me, you know what No Fear is, like No Fear shirts. This one is a little different. It's got, like, I don't even know what the hell this is. Just a guy with glasses. It says what goes around explodes around. What goes around explodes around. I don't know. Looks like that. It's cool. I like the colors. I don't know. It like totally matches my hair, like that color right there. But yeah, I don't know. This isn't like a typical No Fear shirt that I have seen. I mean, this is real. This is like a real No Fear tag. It says, don't let your fears stand in the way of your dreams. Like, this is totally a real tag. But I've never seen like No Fear shirts like this. I need to do a little bit more research, but I wanted to pick it up in case it was a gem. I really didn't have time to check comps at the store because we had all the kiddos with us and they were just not having it that day, which is fine. Everyone has off days. This is a cool jacket. It is a Nike jacket. I forgot what it's called. It's a size extra small, but could definitely fit a small. It's just a quilted like puffer jacket. It's not too thick. This is like a perfect fall jacket. And it doesn't have a zipper. It's got little snappy snaps. And this is a fairly recent piece, I think. 2017, fall 2017. So not too bad. It's got the Nike logo right there. I thought it was cool. Cool. Too cool for school. Okay, Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is a size, what? This is a size extra small. No way in hell that's an extra small. That definitely is like a medium large. Just looks like this. It's maroon, and then on the back we got like a little like Aztec print kind of sort of thing. But yeah, Victoria's Secret, get your sizing right. Shit. All right, I found 2 North Face jackets. We got little feet running down the hall. This is a women's medium. I don't know what this jacket is called. It's just a fleece, but it's not like their lightweight fleece. It's like a thicker fleece. Yeah, can't go wrong. Thank you. Can't go wrong with a black North Face. Did I say the size? Medium. And then I found a North Face Denali jacket. I know these are called the Denali jackets. This is a size medium. I have this exact jacket and I love it. This is like the staple for girls in leggings or Ugg boots, for sure. Found this jacket. This is Helly Hansen. This is actually a girl's jacket, but this could definitely fit a women's small. Helly Hansen is a really expensive brand. I thought this was cute. The colors, again, this could definitely fit a women's small. It says 164 or 14. I don't know if that means girl size 14. Like I said, this could definitely fit a small because this is pretty big. Like pretty big for a girl's size. Torrid sweatshirt. If I can find the tag. I had never seen a Torrid tag like this before. I don't know if this is like a vintage I don't know, it's a size 1, which in Torrid sizing is like a size 1X. I thought this was cute. It is like a purple tie-dye hoodie, but it's short sleeve. Next thing I found is a sweatshirt. It's a size medium. It says Coors Brewery. I can never say that word. Brewery. I don't know. I thought it was cool. Okay. All right. Okay. On this Adidas track jacket, this is a size small, just a 3-stripe gold. And then that on the back is definitely kind of faded, but still cool. Found this Patagonia sweatshirt type thing. Where's the friggin' Patagonia thing? There it is right there. This is like waffle knit. I don't know. It's kind of like thinner, so maybe this is just like a base layer. I don't know what this is called. But I can't pass up the Patagucci, right? Patagucci. Found this. It is a Cool sweatshirt, size small. The brand is Cool, K-U-H-L. It's a really good like outdoors brand. Looks like this. The logo looks like that. And then it's also right there. I thought this little Athleta jacket was cute. I have become more picky with Athleta pieces that I pick up. This is an extra small. This definitely fits like a small, but I liked the color. Yeah, it's just a little jacket, like a little athletic jacket. I don't know. I like the color a lot. I like this color a lot too. This is Fila. It's a size medium. So pretty. This is big. This could definitely maybe fit a large too. That. Okay, we've got some bleach things. This is just an Adidas sweatshirt. It's a men's medium or women's large. I wanted to do like half bleached and half not, and I kind of accomplished it a little bit, except like right here, yeah, see there's a spot right there. It's not too noticeable. I think it came out cool though. That on the back, I can hold it up, looks like that. Oh yeah, there's also a spot like on the back kind of. This sweatshirt's cool. It's definitely vintage. This is a USA Olympics Sweatshirt. Says JCPenney is the exclusive retailer of USA Olympic brand apparel. Okay, this is a size extra large. So I bleached just the sleeves. I don't know, I thought it would look cool with just the sleeves bleached. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I have pictures in my Poshmark closet that, you know, show it a lot better than what I'm doing. Okay, this is soft surroundings. This, where's the tag? Is a size large, I think. I liked it because it had like the Sherpa neck, and then also, where are the hands? Where are the hands? Where are they? Like Sherpa cuffs. It's just like a sweatshirt, like a lightweight sweatshirt, but with Sherpa-ness on it. I don't know. Okay. Oh, pockets too. Pockets. Last thing that I picked up is this super cute Nike jumpsuit. I'm gonna have to show you a picture. I'm not gonna be able to hold it up. But this is new with tags. This is a size extra small. This definitely fits like a small. But yeah, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys. But it's like a high neck, mock neck, sleeveless black jumpsuit, wide leg, super cute. And again, new with tags. Like what? What? Okay, so that is everything that I got in my most recent haul. Again, just bread and butter type shiznit. If you guys see anything that you want to purchase in this video, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.